Feels so good taking a walk this hot afternoon. Guess what? Only those alive can take a walk. It's a long stretch, 25 minutes walk. I missed the bus. I took a wrong bus. But hey, who cares? I took a wrong bus. The bus to my house was supposed to go towards the right after passing a junction, but it turned left, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I didn't pay attention to the bus number. But I took it in good faith, and I am enjoying the walk. If I happen to find the bus going my way, fine. Otherwise, I walk. After all, it's healthy. It's just like sunny. But I'd love to do this in the evening, say 7 p.m. for my regular walk time. But never miss an opportunity, because even at 7 p.m. I'm not sure I'll be able to take a walk with the boys. Daddy is not home. So come with me on my walk. Give me the opportunity to enjoy the vicinity of my neighborhood. See the goodness. See how beautiful and how lovely the environment is. It's hot. I can see the sun slamming on my face, but man, who cares? I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna pant a little bit because I'm still in recovery, but walking for 25-30 minutes isn't bad, right? Even on a sunny afternoon. So that's it, guys. We move. We move. We move. We move. Agbára èṣù dà níbi tí Jésù gbé ń jọba. Agbára èṣù dà kò sí o, ó ti wó. Agbára èṣù dà níbi tí Jésù gbé ń jọba. Agbára èṣù dà kò sí o, ó ti wó. Kò sí o, ó ti wó. Kò sí o, ó ti wó. Agbára èṣù dà níbi tí Jésù gbé ń jọba. I feel like I'm dark already. Agbára èṣù dà kò sí o, ó ti whoa. Yeah, after 60 minutes, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm on the street leading to my house now, and just few feet before, I see someone doing yard sale. If I was driving past, I wouldn't have seen this. Not that I need to buy anything, but if you have too many things in your house that you're not using and they're still very good, why not bring them out, put them on display, and trust me, people are going to stop by to buy what they think they need, so far as they are good stuff. So yeah, this is the street leading to my house. I'm so thankful. Whew. I enjoyed it regardless. Some blasting on me, you mind, because I need to lie shaking. Long take a walk. Our lie, our ninu àlàáfíà ara. Oluwaseun. Jesu. Every opportunity I have, I just take it in and appreciate the goodness and mercy of God. I thank God for his faithfulness over my life. Beating stage 1 cervical cancer or uterine cancer. Not be beans. I don't look like it because it was caught early. That is it about the children of God. God would always orchestrate your steps to do things at the right time. Body speaks, guys. Listen to your body. If you feel something is not normal, if you think something is not right, going to the doctor won't kill you. I mean, it will only shed light on what your feelings are. And if there's an issue, that helps to attend to it on time so that it doesn't become a problem. So I'll keep you guys engaged on my progress. This is 4 weeks after epithelial trophoblastic tumor surgery via hysterectomy. Peace out, guys. Let me go press the bell. The boys will be like, "Mommy!" I want you guys to see their reaction. Only if the baby is not sleeping. If the baby is sleeping, there might be nothing much of an excitement to see Mommy. Whew. Pressing the bell. Guys, can you see I'm sweating? Whew. Man, I don't black oh. Chai. Whew. 21 minutes. It was quite fast. Whew. Hi. Hello. Where's your brother?
Sleeping.
Okay.
How come we can't sit down outside?
Because it's so sunny. Can you see how Mommy is sweaty? It's really sunny outside. Very hot. The water I took, I finished it even before I got to where I was going. And I took the bus while I was going. It's been a long time we took the bus, right?
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How come I couldn't come?
Because you have to stay home with your brother.
How come James couldn't come?
Guys, I'm home. Is there water in the fridge?
I don't know.
Can I have one? Get me water. Oh boy. Motor was in the Agbelo for service. Tell you to make a talk in the office. Reason here. Well, you're poor, but your money is there. More 25 minutes. 25 minutes more. Cheers, guys.